the dark. 'Cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
What?
Okay,
Nothing.
Hey guys, we're here in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, up in the Hoh Rainforest, or the Hoh Rainforest. You know, we were sitting at home today and it was raining and kind of a gloomy day, and we thought, what better place to be than up here?
The rainforest on a rainy day. So we've actually never been here before. It was only a few hours drive from our house, so not too far. So we're excited to check it out. I'm sure we're gonna see some elk. At least I hope we do. Elk frequent the area.
Hope you guys enjoy this video.
That's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. Getting old don't bother me, 'cause with eyes that's been through life, it's so much easier to see who I am and who I wanna be. No, getting old don't bother me. Truth can be a bitter pill, but it'll do you right and set you free the way a lie never will. Like climbing up the steepest hill. But truth can be a bitter pill. That's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And like the river flows, life will take you where you need to go. Life will teach you what you need to know. Ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. And that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go.
So we're at the Hoh Rainforest Visitor Center. This is our first time here, so we're checking it out.
It says it rains a lot here. Average annual rainfall of 138 inches. The Hoh Rainforest has one of the wettest climates in the Lower 48 states. Abundant rainfall, glacier melt, snow melt, and the summer fog and high rain. Check the rain gauge.
inside the visitor center. A lot of cool fun facts to read.
Oh, look, buddy. A little salamander. Oh, look. You see this guy? Look at this guy. What is he? A mole. It's a mole. Look at all the moss.
It's crazy being in the rainforest. You just feel the humidity difference and you see it in the windows. Pretty neat. All right, so we're heading down the Hall of Mosses trail. It's a big puddle right there. The trailhead is just here at the visitor center. It just starts right there, and so that's what we're doing. Gonna see how far it takes us. So far, it's just beautiful.
Should be a quick, short hike, so lots of time to stop and admire everything. This is so gorgeous. It's like a dream in here. Ooh. So, on the way coming in, we drove through Forks, which was pretty cool, and saw all the fun twilight locations. How dreamy is this? It's so dreamy. Here comes the rain. It had cleared up for a few minutes and the sun came out and it was so pretty. It's still pretty with the rain, but here we are.
It's raining, but the canopy is so thick you can't really tell. You just hear it.
Yeah. Did you guys notice that? You don't feel all the raindrops, guys? Because the canopy above is kind of acting like an umbrella. It's pretty neat. What does this talk about?
Oh. This is where, once you get on this and then you start to loop, it's 3/4 of a mile. Look at the size of this tree. I don't know if you can tell by video, but I'd say that's probably a 10-foot diameter at the bottom. And it has to be at least, I don't know, 300 feet high.
That looks awesome.
Crazy. It's like a giant mushroom in this tree. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There it is. Can't believe we've never been here before. We live so close. What do you think about it?
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it raining inside the rainforest? Yeah.
Ezra, what is it? There's a banana slug and little tiny mushrooms. That's a banana slug. Looks like you lost his stripes. It was a banana slug, and then here's some really tiny little mushrooms. All right, rain jacket hood is on. It's coming down now.
I don't have a rain jacket, but I have a hoodie, so that's what we're going with.
And here's these guys taking cover.
Yeah, they're going in the tree.
Are you taking cover?
Yeah.
Are you staying dry?
Yeah.
So we're actually on a quick trek back to the car so that they can get their coats on. It stopped raining before we actually started the trail, and then it picked up really heavy, so we're gonna go get our coats, I have mine. They're gonna go get their coats, and then we're gonna come back. So we just passed a sign that says approximately 2,500 people walk this trail every day. And I believe it because there was a lot of people out there. And it's fall, so the summer busy season is over. But there's still quite a number of people out there. Parking is completely full. There's no wait to get in, so that was really nice. But trying to get pictures and video on this trail is a little bit hectic because approximately 2,500 people walk this trail every day. All right, so we're back at the car, getting our coats.
I can't reach it.
Another massive tree. Look at this. Can you spot? There's a squirrel. Just having a snack. Alrighty, so now we're actually going down Horse Trail. It is a trail for horses. I'm sure it's open to the public though, so we're going down here because, as I said, it's a little bit chaotic on the other trails. And maybe we'll get lucky and see some wildlife over here. Look at that mushroom.
All right, guys, so we went back to the car. I don't know if you could tell, I have a jacket on this time, so it was getting a little too wet. So we went to the car, we got our jackets on, we came back out, and we're on the horse trail, which I believe you can walk on, but we're not too sure. But it was just too many people on the other trails, so kind of wanted to get away from that a little bit. But so far it's been great. So we're walking along and there's like a campsite or something right there.
And look at this huge log.
Yeah, these logs are just massive. It's a lot of old growth forest. When we were inside the museum, it was talking about the 4 major trees found here. And it was a Sitka spruce, western red cedar, hemlock fir, and Douglas fir.
Oh, this is pretty, guys.
And you
It's like
just see,
fully fall in here.
yeah,
Look at this.
all the fall foliage on the ground. Look at that thing. About as big as your head. Pretty neat.
Okay,
It's gorgeous.
this trail is cooler than the other one. Alright, so if you're not familiar with all the Pacific Northwest, what would you call it, foliage and everything, we'll give you a little class. There's also mushrooms, along with our special foliage that are unique to the Northwest. There's a mushroom, and what's your favorite foliage, buddy, that's out here?
What?
What's your favorite, like, plant that's out here that we usually always see in our forest?
Fern.
Fern. Can you show me some fern? Show me some fern, buddy.
There's some fern right there.
There's some fern right there. Which one is it? Yep, that's fern. Alrighty. Did you find some, Zola?
Yeah.
It's everywhere. What's on the bottom of the fern?
A brown, like
Seeds?
medicine, like seeds, yeah.
That are medicinal, yep.
Yeah, what do you use it for? Like, if you're out in the woods and you get stung by something, what is that?
The fern for if you get stung by a stinging nettle. At the bottom of it, you can.
Seeds?
On the bottom of it, there's like seeds that you can rub on your where you got stung by a stinging nettle.
Yep.
What does it do? It like helps it to stop stinging?
Yeah.
Yeah, it helps it stop stinging almost immediately, huh?
Yeah.
You just rub it on. There's a lot of other uses that you can use. There's a lot of other ways that you can use fern medicinally as well. All right. I think this is stinging nettle. Mm-hmm.
I think it doesn't really look like
Who's
it.
gonna find out?
What? Me. Mushroom.
What is that?
Mushroom.
Mushrooms.
So you guys can see the size comparison with me standing next to this thing. The size of these trees here is just impressive. I'm
Massive.
5'11". This is the bottom half. The top half's over there. But I mean, even over here, it's up to my shoulders.
It's taller than Ezra.
Crazy.
Stand in the middle. There you go. So it's probably what, 4.5 feet?
Yeah, that part. That's,
blind.
it gets wider as it goes down that way.
Mm-hmm.
See how old they
Yeah, here. Ready?
Ezra's gonna try some fresh rainforest water. Oh,
Yummy.
It's so
What does
hella.
it taste like?
Tastes like moss water.
Tastes like moss water? Oh, you've had it before.
Should they bottle it and sell it in the store?
You should take that idea and run with it, buddy. You'll be a millionaire. Here's a close-up at these mushrooms that are growing on this big old log. Wow. Pretty neat.
We're gonna go find the Hoh River Trail.
So as we've been walking around, we've been coming across a lot of these like little streams. I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, but how crystal clear that water is. And it's like a natural bog filter, meaning that the plants and the rocks and all that filter the water and it just makes it crystal clear. We've been talking about wanting to build a pond on our property and using this method to clean the water. So it's just kind of cool to see it out in nature doing its thing. It's gorgeous.
It's so cool, nice to have like a pond at home and have it be natural, a natural swimming pond. I want to swim in the pond. That'd be so fun. And we could have the natural bog.
Would that be cool or?
Yeah. I think it would be cool.
All right. Would you swim in it?
Yeah.
Nice. I think I would too if it was that clean. I mean, look at it.
Yeah, that's so serene. You'd feel like you were in a natural pool rather than in a concrete pool, so it'd be awesome. You don't have to worry that much about filtration. You Ezra, look, what are these?
Salmonberry.
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 We have tons of salmonberry at home, don't we?
What color are they usually?
Sometimes they're orange and yellow.
Yep. Yep, orange and yellow, and sometimes like a little more red.
Yeah.
But you can get them confused with thimbleberries, which look similar, but thimbleberries kind of have more of a strawberry taste, huh?
Yeah.
What do thimbleberries look like?
Thimbleberries. Kind of look like I don't really know how to explain it.
They look like little strawberries.
They kind of look like little upside down bottle caps. Like what are those?
Like
what are those
raspberries.
called that you like spin? The
They look
toppers.
like-
A top?
Yeah, like spin tops. They kind of look like spin tops.
Yeah.
I
Little
know.
fruit spin tops.
What do you think they look
They
like?
kind of look like raspberries.
They
Yeah?
do. They
Yeah.
kind of look like raspberries. Yep.
See, everybody has their own opinion on
And
what
they
look
taste like strawberries.
Like. Here's
Thimbleberries.
some more salmonberry right there. A lot of people get them confused with stinging nettle just because of like the way the leaves look, but it's not. Now we're gonna go on the Spruce River Trail, or is it a Spruce River Trail?
The
The Hoh River Trail. That's what it is. And look, here's another one of those fog filters again.
It's completely clear water. It does not look dirty at all.
You guys, the camera doesn't do it justice. You can see. That's
Hold on. Stop.
right there at the bottom. That's the bottom of the creek right there.
Crystal clear.
Looks like it has any people. It says elk.
So, Hoh River Trail and Peace Nature Trail. Which one? That
I wanted to show you guys this.
5.
The elk are in rut right now, so they're more aggressive this time of year. So they have these signs up everywhere saying, obviously, if you approach any, stand back about 75 feet.
Check this out.
So this,
Frequenting the area.
yeah. So this is the kind of wildlife we have around here that you can encounter anytime. So they say it's best to like make a lot of noise and stuff when you're walking on these trails, so you don't surprise the animal. And if you do come across one, don't run.
Alrighty. You guys having a fun day?
Yeah.
It's nice out here. I love it.
Yeah, it's crazy that we haven't been up here yet.
I know. I can't believe we haven't been here yet.
We live so close, but that's why we're doing this video for you guys, so
Oh,
you
look.
can see it for the first time, just like us.
Look. So it looks like the elevation gain is 573. There's Tom Creek, Happy Forest Shelter, Olympus Guards, what's that? Station, the Hoh Lake Trail Junction, Elk Lake, Glacier Meadows, Glacier Moraine, and Soul Duck. What's RS Recreation?
I'm not sure, but it's 26 miles away, so I don't think we're going to be doing that one today.
Yeah. So I feel like we could do Tom Creek or, for today, Tom Creek.
Yeah, but I mean, it's just pretty cool. Like there's, you get on one trail and then there's so many different trails you can get on after.
Yeah, like we've already done 2 different trails today, and we're just on the same path, continuing on to trails. So. Here comes Ezra.
Would you guys give this a thumbs up?
Oh, thumbs up the video right now. Ezra, ask him for a thumbs up.
What?
Whoa, babe, you gotta get this.
The size of this tree. There's like a big old cave in this thing.
It's like a door.
It goes up.
Oh, it's a whole tree hollow?
Yeah.
Wow.
Once that tree's hollow, it goes up in there.
Oh, I am forever blessed. Your passion is always chasing me. You are maker of all things. You are lover of all beings, my redeemer, bearing all my pain. You are Jesus, and I love to sing your name.
Such a neat spot. I could sit here and listen to the river rushing by all day.
It's
great.
Such kindness in my own story. Oh, what can obscure the truth? My Father in heaven loves me. I dance in the pouring rain. You shower your love on everyone with a power I can't escape. Whenever you speak, I come undone. You are maker of all things. You are lover of all beings, my redeemer, bearing all my pain. You are Jesus, and I love to sing your name. Any good that I am, it all comes from you. Any love that I have, it all comes from you. Any joy that exists, any peace that persists, you will make all things new. Life alone comes from you, my maker.
All right, guys. Well, we just got home. We really hope you enjoyed that video. We had a fun time making it. If you want to see any more videos like that, just give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.